She's gonna have a dip. I'd love to see a dip here. 67, 57, in there 68, 70, nice. Come on, give me at least 10 cents on this, 20 cents. Beautiful. So now, can we build a good play here? In 68, a little too high. Based on my based on what I'm trying to do, maybe I can catch it a little lower. $67. The low of the previous was 61. So let me see if we can catch this a little lower. AM. It's 8 a.m. So I'm looking for some volume to come in here. SHPH. I don't about this anymore. I don't want this anymore. I'll get it out. Yeah, too bad. Look good. Looked like it was going to give a nice pullback and then a run. For those, so the 1 minute fair value gap hasn't been working too well pre-market the past couple of days. Hmm. Okay, here we go. Candle making a new high, 510. 510. We're looking for basically $6 on this. Here we go, 510. Size down on this. It is not as strong there. Okay, coming down. All right, I have to be mindful here because this, if it reclaims 5 again here, This could actually do it. This could actually do it if it reclaims 5 here. Now, playing that imbalance, if it reclaims 5, could still do it. Reclaim 90. Probably size down. Add on confirmation. Reclaim 5. Reclaim 5. Come on. Reclaim 5. Man, it could do it now. It did it before here when it reclaimed 50. How could you do it again if you reclaim 5? There it is. First 1 minute candle to make a new high over 95. But if you reclaim 5 here, 5 on the bid. I need to see 5 on the bid. 5 on the, oh, there it is. 5 on the bid. Hold. Now immediately down. It's not one of those opportunities where 5 on the bid is an immediate trigger. I would wait a second. There it is, 5. 5 again. Yeah, 5 again. Let's do it. 502. Let's do it. 503. Needs to go now. Needs to go now. Needs to go now. Needs to go now. No. Needs to go now. Now is now, bro. Now is now. Back over 5. I'll try it later. So what happened is we got some sellers jumping in here. Trying to get this thing lower. They stop out at the break of 5, but looks like they didn't. Longs, long algos did not pressure 5 enough for these guys to stop out. Okay, there it is. So, dang. Something's like really forcing this thing down, man. 510 was a key spot. Also down, these. Okay. So 5 is, if it's not 5, it's 510. Maybe we have to wait a little more. Shorts haven't stopped out yet. Matter of fact, shorts are very aggressive on this. LHAI. Quick gap and go here. Volume is coming. Volume is picking up. Volume seems to be picking up. Nice, 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 nice. Still waiting for this. LHAI, good bounce day. Good day for a bounce. Bounce, baby, bounce. Let's see. Bounce. Nice dip 18 there. 9, not bad, not bad. dip 18 was good, great. Sellers though stacking this thing up. 16, 15. Really took off. There it is. 17. Reclaim 20. Reclaim 20 again. I think we might do it now because all these guys are committed here. At 15, 16, 17, shorts committed there. So now you reclaim 20. Yeah, let's do it. I'm adding here. Quick stop. I think it tried to break down, but it couldn't do it. So now got 20 sellers, bro. Nice, 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 nice. So it tried to break down and it couldn't do it. So now buyers are in control here and shorts are gonna have to get stopped out. I'm risking like 4 cents to make maybe 26. I'll get off 26, 27. Start unwinding there. It's not going. It's not going yet. Slow, it's slow. It needs to go here. It needs to go here. It needs to go here. It needs to go there. It needs to go there. So what volume came in here? 500,000. But no, not enough volume coming in. I'll wait. Oh, look at that. There it is. There's the volume. It's not patient enough. Man, look at that volume. All right, that's good. That's what we need to see. All right, let's see this pullback. Pullback candle. No, that's when that's shorts got squeezed now. Shorts getting squeezed. Nice. Pullback candle. Pullback. Wow. 40 is a spot there. Wow, nice. So sad I missed that. I had that trade from here, 19. Love to see a nice pullback here. How well is this pullback gonna fold? How well is that pullback gonna fold? I mean, this pullback barely held. Went all the way back down. So maybe this time we get a nice break under 30 and reclaim. I think we'll see it. Sellers at 31, 29, 28. Sellers at 32, 29, 28, 27. Again, 30 becomes such resistance. VWAP is 25. Nice. Now 30 becomes support. Twenty-seven, 28. I mean, looks pretty weak, but it seems to be slowly coming down, slowly grinding down. I'll get in here. 27. Needs to go here. Needs to go. Wow. I'll try it one more time. It's. I like this area. I like this area. This dip. Just as shorts are trying to get out. I'm sorry. I'm trying to be aggressive on the way down. It's not working for them. I have to go small size, I think. It was too much of that attempt. I gotta commit. I gotta commit. Let's see. I like it. I like this area a lot. Hovering around this gap, there might be a. There it is. So, oh, 530. So 30 could be a good spot to add. LHAI. Watching this pullback. Hmm. Yeah, I had it right down there, 27. Came down to 28, and I'm thinking I might find it a little lower. I just have to commit to it. I should know better. I should know better. So shorts committed really tough, really hard on that breakdown, and they're about to get stopped right here over 35. They're about to get stopped right there. First candle to make a new high over 36. Watching it, watching it, watching it, watching it. Ooh, there it is. Mm, dip, 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 dip. Show me you can hold. All right, I'm adding here. No. Wait, 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 wait. All right, let's do it. Go, 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 go. Come on. Nice. Break of 50 incoming. Break of 50 incoming. Incoming break of 50. Can I get two tunnel vision here? So I have to stay relaxed, stay put. Boom, out 51. Oh, man. That was so tough. That was so tough. But we got it. We got that break of 50. Beautiful. I will take that dip under 41 to 36. Nice cap. If it wants to do that, would happily take that little dip because it's got momentum on it. 41 to 36. 41 to 36. No, looks like it's not going to be it. 41 to 36. Hmm. What do we think? We got momentum going up in our way. We got the wind on our backs. We have the wind on our backs. And I think this dip could be Beautiful. Let's see it. 41, 36. I want to see it under 30, under 40. I'm buying it. And let's do it. 39. Come on. Show me some love. Show me some love. Come on. 3, 4, 5. Come on. Now. Nope. Not doing it. Oh, might do it there. Might do. Oh, you son of a gun. That's the thing about these, man. I'm just kind of too heavy there with 3K. Dang it, bro. Goes there 43, 44. I just had to give it a sec. 46. I botched it. So let's see. We gotta move here. Honestly, it could work. Could work. $47. Sellers. 52. 50. 49. 48. 47. Mm, 9 a.m. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? SHPH. 82. Oops. What's this? Can you hold 82 80s? Captain go here. It's hard to say. We'll take smaller size and watch for that breakout. I don't know. I didn't even want to take that. I don't know. It could work though, but it's 50-50 in my opinion. Um, I need to see what his imbalance closes. 5 minute about to close. Very nice. That 5 minute closed. Here we go. So we got this one here, 45. Imbalance here. Over 5. First 1 minute candle to make a new high over 5. No, I want to take a dip instead. Waiting for that. Waiting for that dip. So the high of this is 82, maybe a dip around 70s. That could be nice. Wow. Immediate action there, right back over 80. I'll take this. Looks like it's setting up in a 90. Just a small size. Looking for this next candle to make a move here. Incredible move from 70s. Reclaim of 90. 0 cent reclaim. Needs to go here, needs to go here, needs to go here. No, it doesn't go there. Maybe a little lower. 66. $66. Yeah, those dips are very bouncy. Now it's going here. Now I might actually go. Now it's the time. Let's see. Over 90 at 5. Huh. Here we go. First 1 minute candle over 90. Uh, 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 uh. Let's do it. 95. Needs to go here. Needs to go there. Needs to go. No. Out. Tried it 2 times there. Nothing. So it ain't it. So I'm gonna have to get in a dip. So I tried it 2 times. Either reclaim back over 90 here. Dip all the way down to 60s. Reclaim back over 90. First 1 minute candle to make a new high here, 95 out 94. Yeah. Okay. Same thing, didn't do it. Gonna wait for the next candle. So this, I want this to go a little lower, break 80 and reclaim back over 80. Nice. Okay, reclaim back over 80. This still could do it here. We got this gap here that I think might be tested. If it gets tested, but maybe not. So hold pretty tight, hold pretty tight. First 1 minute candle to make a new high. It's gonna be epic. Oh, here we go. 88. Back over 90. Yes. 91. Tight stop. There you go. Come on, baby. Come on. Give me some love here. Uh, I don't like it. There. All right, out. Tried it 3 times. Okay, it's not 90 anymore then. It's gonna have to be 5. So trying it 3 times. So far pretty tight losses. Ooh, nice drop there. 60s. Sizing down. I'll get in there 53. Retesting that low. So this is much better. So now I'm going to try a dip. Stop was 46. So in there 54. Very good dip. Don't do that. Come on. Bounce, 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 bounce. Nice. So now hopefully, now that I tried it here, I know shorts probably got aggressive here. They didn't quite get their breakdown they were looking for. So now, let's see if the tide flips. We get some nice Momo going up off this gap. Small size. Small size off the gap. 64. Nice. Nice. Okay. Cool. Just have to be patient with these ones off the lows because they need to start accumulating. Needs to start absorbing. The bids need to start absorbing the orders. And we got to start folding. We got to fold here. Yeah, out. Out 50. Come on. Getting stopped 51. Oh, dang it. All right, I'm done with this. Four red trades in a row on this. Looks like it found support. I was in at 54, stopped out 51, came down here right under 50, reclaim it. Nice, nice push. Now we're looking for that to keep moving. Seller. Oof. Aggressive seller there. Such a great trade, bro. Here's the thing, if this doesn't hold, we're approaching this nice gap. It's not gonna have the strength to hold, I think. So maybe if we can get above 50, I don't know. Holding down. This low right here, man, that was so powerful. I got in on this candle thinking I got it. No, there was still resistance. Stopped out right here, 51. It just did it a little lower, and then eventually that was the spot. I was looking for that. Very close to getting it. This could probably give a nice dip here. Under 5, I would like to see it. How deep under 5 do you want to go? 80s probably? Small dip. Retesting. Now back over 5. Waiting for that dip. There might be another dip here. This. Perhaps 80s. A break of 90. Didn't quite break 90. Retested 90s again. It's still held. Let's see. There's still kind of stuff down. It doesn't want to go. It doesn't want to go yet. So 5 is holding well. We got the volume here. We may see another move here. Let's see it. 90s. Nope. Coming back down. Oh. 10s. High of that 16. Back to 505. 508. It's a crazy volatility, so you want to grab it at a good spot, you know? Because then you're eating a fat L. Oof, 520. Yeah, this volatility is insane. That was a pretty insane volatility to hold through. Wow. So that 30s. Wow. Hmm. Crazy. So it didn't make a new low. I wish it made a new low, man. I would have gone in on that. Hmm. So if it wants to go now, it'll go 50s. If it wants to go now, it'll go 50s. New low. There we go. There we go, 50s. Dip, 49, 48. Let's do it, 50s. 53, 52. Still holding here. Nah, out. Oh, you son of a gun. So 50s ended up being that spot. It went right under 50. Hmm. Yeah, I tried it. I tried it. I tried it. So that's, I think, 5 losses since the open. Unable to get a single winner. Trying to do like this. Sort of like a first candle to make a new high, basically. A lot of volatility there. It's not clean. Not clean. Not clean at all. So it moved under $2. Can it hold $2? Okay. Can it go over $2 and hold? Highest is 34. Wait, what am I looking at? Oh, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Uh, All right, here we go. We are down only 400, 500 on the month after fees and commissions. Well, only fees. So up 300 today. Very good day. Um, let's review because I kind of butchered a couple of moves here. So here, the first one, very low conviction, even though I'm only taking 1,000 shares. Come on, just hold it, hold it. Look at that beautiful move through there. Next, we got this beautiful dip into the gap, 27. Out. I gotta commit. I gotta do something about this. I gotta do something about this. Either I don't take it because these have happened to me all the time and I don't have the conviction. One, I don't know if I'm blaming myself for not having the conviction, or two, the reliability on this is not strong. So I think the best trade is right here, hold 30s, adding or buying it and then getting that move higher, knowing that it has a strong base and it bounced and it moved right over 30. Same thing here, right? So anyway, tried it there, tried it here at 40, didn't quite go. Sadly, that didn't work. But we redeemed ourselves on this one. Um, yeah, there we go. So I tried it 2 times actually. It was a very contested area. 1 minute count to make a new high, 40. And I'm looking at it, I'm like, man, is it gonna go? Is it gonna go? Whatever, let's do it. Boom. Exit, then back in again. 40 and 51, 40 to 51. So glad I recommitted to it and I understood and followed my strategy. Boom, very nice trade. Then we got a nice dip here. Oh man, this hurts because I had it 3K right on the gap. Gap, beautiful range on the gap. So when I see stuff like this, now I'm more inclined to take it. Sometimes you have wide gaps, big gaps, and you know it's really hard to manage risk on those. Anyway, this was beautiful. In at right there, 39.40. Looking for this to go, looking for this to go. Held this for 24 seconds, man. Had to hold for a little longer, give it some room to cook because this went to 44, 45, adding, boom, out in the 50s. No, adding probably what? Yeah, 50. All right, whatever. Anyway, well, let's keep looking at these other stocks. SHPH, we got a nice move here, 68, 71, 72, decent gap as well. So I held this. Went a little lower, so still holding 1K size. Yes, this would have been the same thing as yesterday. Would have gotten killed right here, right? If it just kept dropping. But this time I made sure I took something out because it didn't go. So let's see, in at 56, and it started unwinding here at basically 30 seconds later. Expecting a better move, expecting a better move after sort of this consolidation down here. Like it doesn't fail here, doesn't fail here, not here, not here, not here. We got the momentum we want. I wanted a faster continuation. Anyway, it ended up coming down lower. I exit the rest of my position at 54. Flat trade. Where do I take it next? Anyway, yeah. So I take it next over here. Very good trade. So same thing, dip on the gap. Now I'm thinking now this gap, this dip onto the dip. Now I'm thinking the dip into this gap is going to be much better. So size down, 600 shares. Now I'm looking also to add probably a little lower if I could. 90 held through this pullback. Stop was going to be 70s. Out right there, 531. 22 on 15. Very good. Very, very good. Very good trade there. Then we tried one more here at 5. 1 minute candles making you high. Yeah, basically sort of like a combination of that and the gap and go. There you go. So next next trade was at the open. I need to avoid this. This is kind of a silly trade. I don't know what happened to me. I need to avoid this. Avoid that. Not great. You know what? My thinking was we got a nice reclaim here. You gotta had a small imbalance, nice reclaim. So I'm thinking this next candle is gonna bring volume, but no, 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 not good, not good. Here, 1 minute candle to make a new high. That's the right trade, right? Didn't work after this drop here, so it didn't work. I thought it would work. That's fair. That's a fair shot. Next, I got this one here, another one. Fair shot, right? Lower low here, or rather new low. First 1 minute candle to make a new low, gets rejected, shorts add here. So I'm thinking, okay, now that shorts added on this low here, break of 80, right? Yeah, break of 80, low of this is 75, shorts adding, trying to smack it down, doesn't work. Now we're gonna get that first 1 minute candle to make a new high and make that nice move. In a 91, out 87, loss. Then another one here. Okay, I'm in 54 on that low. Beautiful. That seems to bounce. Get a nice bounce. Exiting right here, 51. But actually, the best trade was here. I have to be mindful of this, man, because breaks down under 50, comes back over 50, and makes that beautiful move, man. That's like, what, 40-cent move from 50? Ah, beautiful, man. That would have been the perfect trade. And LEDS, we took one trade here at the highs. So not much price action. Can't really do much here. We got the momentum. I'm thinking we might see another move higher. Rejection here. Came right back up. So I'm thinking, okay, 50 seems to be that trigger point. 50s. Bought it at 52. Out 50. Didn't go as planned. Anyway, so we took a cut off the, let's see, after the open. Yeah. At the open, we just took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red trades. Nope, not sticking around. Keeping my Green Day. So this is good. This is good. So I still look back at this day. 600, and then bang. One of these days, man, one of these days, those are gonna hit. Those trades are gonna hit really well. Those dip and rips off the whole do work when the market is hot, but when the market is not hot, I don't wanna deal with them. I shouldn't take them. I took them yesterday. Shouldn't take them. Anyway, yeah, so let's get out of here. So come over to Mr. Profit, 7-day free trial, free trading analysis tool, upload your file. No sign up required. Your data is never stored, 100% free. If you upload that file, it's going to give you this page, beautiful page right here. You can analyze your tickers, your intraday P&L, your stats, all in one place, and the trades. So if you look down here, there's a table with all the trades listed. Testimonials from really awesome users. Thank you very much. $5 a month, 50 a year. Hit me up on Discord. Yeah, hit me up on Discord. I'm helping so many users. I'm helping so many other traders. Users, if you buy Mr. Profit, if you sign up, I help you out. I'll help you with the onboarding. I'm very hands-on. But if you need help with trading, have any questions, I'm always answering questions on Discord. So get help for free. I'm helping the community. I'm trying to grow this community, doing whatever I can. Anyway, if you're a struggling trader, need help, I am here to help you. I am turning that corner with big size. I'm trying to get those big numbers, and I will get there. This month has started a little bit iffy, but we are making our way back. We're gonna have a green streak going again, and we're gonna make our way back and have a really awesome month. I have no doubt. Anyway, so yeah, come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, and I will see you tomorrow.